Hello everyone. Um Here we are. So we do have tornado warnings in Florida and Georgia. Well, I'm just gonna say Florida now because this when I click on it, it doesn't show there anymore because it just expired. But we still do have one here. Oh my gosh. Wait, did they both expire? Yeah, they both expired. I thought I was gonna have to record something here. But it looks like that they have just expired. But there is still a severe thunderstorm warning in effect here for northwestern Nassau County, central Clay County, or north central Clay County, and southwestern Duval County until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I was just looking in Eastern Time. Hold on. Eastern Standard Time. UT time, Illinois. International Atomic Time. Wait, dude, what? What is International Atomic? What? I know New York is Eastern Time, so the whole entire state is actually Eastern, right? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we could just. Okay, good. So it is 4:48 p.m. in the east here. So 5:15. Um, Here is the local radar for that area, the KJAX radar, and yeah, we have a severe thunderstorm warning that is heading straight for Jacksonville. So that is bad, because that could be something. And then, let me see here. Hold on. What? What was I just? Yeah. Tornado Beach.com. Whoops. Tornado warnings today. Yep, there it is. Check your location updates. Do I already have my location enabled? I do not. So we are going to start as location 1, which here, oh great, my eye is twitching, that's not good. Jacksonville. Jacksonville. Right there. Enable audio alerts.
Greetings from TornadoHQ.com.
Right. Here we are. Display name. Jacksonville FL. Spoken name. Jacksonville, Florida. Say this name.
Jacksonville, Florida.
Yep, sounds good. Yeah, it's a 5. Oh, it was a 5%, but it looks like Jacksonville, Georgia, Florida. Oh my! Hey, hold on. Wait, not, hold on. The SPC. Wait, they have Wait, why am I here when I could just do this? Wait, hold on. There's a marginal risk in California? What? Open and Storm Prediction Center. Dude, open. Okay. Wait, let me see this. Go. Alright. Um so they have multiple here now. What just happened? What? Oh, what? Right. So they have two here. But this one. So this one right here is not actually tornadic, but it is windy and haily. But that's weird. Why California is actually in a risk for something. I mean, just be like, oh my god, how is this? The tornado is stretching from here to here. This is San Jose, California to Jacksonville, Florida. How? This is impossible. And they don't mention any other states. Tornado? Huh? Huh? Does it stretch? It can't. Right, it doesn't. It can't. No watches in effect. Huh. So yeah, demo with one.
There is one new special marine warning.
Come on, that's not what I wanted to hear. Demo with.
Attention. One of your track locations appears to be affected by these new warnings.
I did not like that. I did not like this. Oh, stop. Okay, good.
New special marine warning. This warning is potentially affecting the following track
Slap
locations.
said.
Jacksonville, Florida,
Yes, I get
which
it.
is near the warned area.
Okay, cool. Don't play. Please don't play the whole alert.
Here
Please
is
don't.
the summary of this warning.
It's gonna play the full alert. It is.
At 4:39 p.m. Est, a severe thunderstorm capable of waterspouts was located over Mayport, 4:30 a.m. north of St. Augustine, moving north at 35 knots.
Oh my gosh!
End of warning summary. There is one new tornado warning for Florida.
There is? Wait,
Attention.
hold on.
One of your track locations
Is it in
appears
it?
to be affected by these new warnings.
Wait, is it in it? Wait, I need weather.gov opened.
New tornado warning issued for.
Wait, open the National Weather Service. Open it. Hold on. Is it for Jacksonville?
Florida.
Is it for Jacksonville? No. Do not go to the NOAA website.
This warning is potentially affecting the following track locations. Jacksonville, Florida,
Is it?
which is near the warned area.
Oh, near. Tornado warning for Southern Duval. Oh!
Here is the summary of this warning.
Oh my gosh!
At 4:52 p.m. Est, a severe thunderstorm
Jacksonville's
capable of
in the
producing a
tornado
tornado
warning.
was located over Cecil Field,
Jacksonville is in the tornado warning.
moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
Jacksonville's in it. Oh my gosh.
End of warning summary.
Hold on. Wait. I want sirens. I want to capture the sirens. If I go on Earth Cam, if they have Jacksonville, I'm going to be like, wow, I need to go play that. And if they don't, I'll be like, damn. They have Myrtle Beach, but Myrtle Beach really is never under tornado warnings, only like special marine warnings and stuff since it's a beach. But anyways, yeah. Okay. Come on. Hurry up. New Orleans. Really, Jackson, no Jacksonville. Oh. No. They actually have it. They have the Jacksonville skyline. The skyline. Oh my gosh. And if the sound is enabled, there's going to be Oh my gosh. No. No way, dude. Siren, yes, all the way. Play it. I'm gonna listen. Listen loud. Turn up the volume. How do I? Yes. Turn it up. Yes. Come on. Come on. Enable that noise. I want to hear those sirens. I want to hear it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Please. Play it. I hear sirens. I'm supposing that the storm is over. That's where it looks bad at. Is that all? No, my. Oh, my. I did not. Okay, there is stuff that looks like funnel clouds all along this line here, especially here. Ah!
There is one new severe thunderstorm warning for Georgia.
Okay, did I ask? Alright, here we are. So, yeah, we have 5 minutes left of this recording. Alright. Yeah, it's almost 5 p.m. by them. Yeah. Well, yesterday I did just capture a tornado warning in Jacksonville. For the remaining time, I could try to capture sirens in Jacksonville here. Okay, that definitely has to be a super.
Yeah.
It's dinner.
Hi.
Alright, here we are. Oh my gosh, there's cars. Cars and stuff.
Nah, she didn't call you. You don't have to
Alright,
yeah.
holy cow, is there like 60,000 people viewing this right now? I just noticed that. Dude, there's no sirens? I mean, ugh. I just want to hear the sirens. I want to hear if I could catch them. I don't think I could catch them. I think this is too far away. This is at the very beginning of the lake of the ocean, so it's probably. Wait, why is there that here? Oh, so it's probably not. Probably just near the lake right by the ocean. So yeah, that's basically it. Nothing's looking up here. Yeah. Look at these images. Actual images? They are definitely photo edited. Because then if that was actually real, I'd probably be moving to Jacksonville. Yep, that's photo generate. Nope. December 1st, and they're already showing Santa. That's definitely that's it. That's the thing. That's the. It's moving in, guys. It's moving. Have it. We have it. It's in action. We're in action here. I need to get a close up of this. Oh. Let me refresh this. Does it show it yet? Oh, it does. Oh my, wait. Dude, look at how close it is just like to it. It's like, oh. But like it's connecting like the dots. Like it's part of Jacksonville. And there was like an unspeakable amount of other statements. Look at all those. I mean, I said unspeakable, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, or that's probably just 3, and then 4, and then boop 5. No special weather statement is crossed out like that, or shaped like that. Well, it probably is. Anyway.